Hello everyone, welcome back to another video today, and this video is on the Champions League encounter that is taking place on Tuesday 20th of October between the last 2 years Europa League champions, that is Chelsea and Sevilla. Both sides are expected to qualify for the next round, and it will be a race between who finishes first and might get an easier tie, who finishes second and might get a tougher tie. So both these sides will want to win this match, and we will preview this encounter, how these two sides match, what are the injury news is, and what can be the lineup for both the sides. So let's straight away start from Chelsea, and Chelsea had a very disappointing draw in the week. Chelsea were 2-0 up, cruising in the match, Timo Werner scoring 2 goals. What else can go wrong? What else can go wrong? It is Chelsea defense. Chelsea defense are the one that might make your head bang into the wall. Chelsea defense just could not work well. They gave 2-0 lead away, and the goals that were shown, if you see the match, that was one of the most comical goals that a side will concede. And Chelsea's defense just doesn't show improvement in the last 2 years, so it's a worrying sign for Frank Lampard and his coaching staff that they will have to improve upon. Chelsea have started this season a bit tipsy-turvy. In the Premier League, they won against Brighton, then they were defeated by Liverpool, then they had a horrific 3-3 draw against West Brom where they were 3-0 down. Then Chelsea destroyed Crystal Palace and kept a rare clean sheet, and again now they've got a 3-3 draw. So Sevilla and their attack will really like to see the Chelsea defense because they will fancy 2 or 3 goals in that match. Now let's straight away get into Sevilla. And Sevilla's result have also been a bit disappointing in the last week. So Sevilla this season, they started with a 2-1 defeat at the hands of Bayern Munich, but it was a 1-1 draw in full time. This is the same Bayern Munich that destroyed Barcelona 8-2, but Sevilla kept them to a 1-1 draw in 90th minute. But unfortunately for Sevilla, they were beaten 2-1 in extra time. Then for Sevilla, they had a match in league against Cadiz, and they won 1-3. Then they won at home 1-0 against Levante. They had a 1-1 draw against Barcelona. But last week, they suffered a defeat against Granada. So this is a disappointing defeat for Sevilla. And they will also come in this match to gain some momentum back into the campaign. So these were the results. Now let's move on to some injury news. Let's start with Chelsea's injury news. And Chelsea injury news is that as per Frank Lampard, Edouard Mendy will still not be fit for this match. And along with that, Billy Gilmour is a long-term absentee and he still could be out for 3 to 4 weeks. So do not expect these two players in this match. So Chelsea will persist with either Kepa Arrizabalaga or Willy Caballero. Then we move on to Sevilla injury news, and Sevilla will miss Osama Idrissi and Jules Koundé for this encounter. So they will miss these two players, and Alex Vidal was not registered, so he will be out of this encounter. So this moves on towards a lineup that I think both sides can play. So in my opinion, I'll expect Chelsea to still put Kepa Arrizabalaga, as Frank Lampard has made it clear. He still believes his side did not have a pre-season to train themselves, and therefore he still wants to see a proper system working and give them time to adjust because Chelsea have signed a lot of new players. So I think Frank Lampard will persist with the current system, he won't change it, and he will give some players chance to regain the confidence. So Kepa Arrizabalaga will retain his place, Azpilicueta will go at the right, then Ben Chilwell will go at the left, Thiago Silva will be back with Kurt Zouma, Jorginho and Kante will form the middle in the midfield, Kai Havertz, Mason Mount and Pulisic will form the 3 where they might rotate. Pulisic might go to the right, Mount might go to the left, Havertz might go in the middle, so it will keep rotating. And in the number 9 position, it will be Timo Werner, who scored 2 goals against Southampton and will love to carry his form. This moves us on to Sevilla predicted lineup, and in my opinion, Sevilla will go with Bono as the keeper, Jesus Navas at the right back, Sergio Gomez in the middle with Diogo Carlos, then he will have Marcos Acuna. Then I think in the midfield, it will be Juan Jordan, Fernando, Ivan Rakitic, who will have a big hand in this match to control the midfield against Chelsea. And then it will be Suso, and I think it will be Lucas Ocampos, along with Luke de Jong, who really had a very, very good final. Can he repeat his Inter Milan heroics against Chelsea? We'll find out. So for me, these are the predicted lineups within the both sides. Now let's get into some facts, and let's start with Chelsea and Chelsea's record against some Spanish clubs. So Chelsea's results against Spanish clubs have not been that good. Chelsea have 1 win, 3 draws and 2 losses in the last 6 matches. The loss against Valencia last year 1-0, 2-2 draw where they should have been beaten 5-2 to be honest if Maxi Gomez had some finishing boots. Barcelona beat them 3-0. Chelsea also drew with them that same season 1-1 where Willian hit the bar at least 2 times. And then you had Atletico Madrid being beaten by Chelsea on their first home game on the new stadium. And then Chelsea having a 1-1 draw against Atletico Madrid where Chelsea could have won 4-1 if they took their chances. So Chelsea's record against Spanish teams is a bit sad, and this is not the record Chelsea fans will want before facing Sevilla. Another fact I would like to tell you is that Sevilla's opening record in the Champions League in last 3 campaigns they have had is 1 win and 2 draws. So they are unbeaten the last 3 Champions League opening campaign. So Chelsea will have to be careful against this team. Now let's move on to Sevilla's record against English club, and this is a very good record. Sevilla have 4 wins, 3 draws, 1 loss in their last 8 matches against English clubs. They beat Man United 2-1 in the semi-final, we remember. Wolves in the quarter-final 0-1. They had a 2-2 draw against Liverpool and then had a 3-3 draw against Liverpool. They knocked Jose Mourinho's side after a 0-0 draw where they embarrassed Man United at Old Trafford. Then, only team that has beaten Sevilla is Leicester City. Leicester City, when they sacked Claudio Ranieri and brought Craig Shakespeare as a manager, Leicester were the only English team to beat Sevilla in the last 8 games. So can Chelsea be the other team? We'll find out. So let's straight away get into the prediction. What can we predict? So, only thing that I will say is that Sevilla cannot be taken lightly. Chelsea's defense is very leaky. Chelsea defense will always give you opportunity to score, and especially because of the lack of proper pressing by Chelsea, all their front players press, but the midfield is kept really empty. Sevilla could take a lot of advantage, and Sevilla will take the game. Sevilla won't come and park the bus. So Sevilla will score in this game. But because of a presence of Thiago Silva and Sevilla also opening a bit of space, I can see Chelsea coming out as the winners in this encounter, especially with the quality that Kai Havertz, Timo Werner, Pulisic will provide them, and having Hakim Ziyech, Tammy Abraham, Giroud on the bench. But Chelsea will concede, and it will be a more harder game than we think. But I think Chelsea will concede 1 in this game, not 2, not 3. But Chelsea will just have enough to squeeze this match 2-1. So I'm going with Chelsea 2, Sevilla 1, and Chelsea to win the first encounter and get a bit of advantage in finishing first. So this was a preview of this match. I hope you have enjoyed it. I really hope you really like it, and please leave your prediction below in the comment section, and please like, share, subscribe, and please support. Thank you.